check out how I added this quick hook and cleaned up the whole bathroom in less than 10 minutes. Hey Remodelaholics, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're doing a little different video than we normally do. It's very natural, just kind of working around the house, and we showed you how we cleaned up one of our bathrooms and all of our girls' robes and hooks and towels on this little hook bar. It took me less than 10 minutes. Super easy project. Please let us know if you like this new format of video, and we will do more of them. Let us know in the comments below if you'd rather have formal projects, and if you do want formal projects, what would you like us to do for you? We do have a very fun project, a very cool barn door update, and we will link to that somewhere. Which way? This way? This way? When we get the video published in the next week or so. Also, I can't think of anything else. So, hey guys, today is pretty much no makeup, working on the house day, and I wanted to show you what I'm going to do in my girls' bathroom. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so they just moved into this little bathroom, and it looks nice from this perspective, and then boom. These are like all the towels, all the robes they own. Why do they own so many? I don't know. I might need to go through them. However, this is only, let me just pull this off. How many layers are on this? One hook. Nice, right? Okay, so I have a little set of hooks that I am going to get to hang up some robes, because they have their like beach robes. I just need to put them away. It's not summer anymore. They have to go to school. Yes. I'm going to show you how I can do this really quick without any tools. Okay guys, I went and got this hook bar from, or hook board they call it, from High and Mighty. We're working on a project with them, so I have a couple of their products to try out, and I am going to try it right under this window so that they can hang towels right by the shower and robes. So I think it'll be really perfect. I literally have that stuck up on the top of our mirror. Not going to be very like, reek. Okay, sorry, that didn't work. I should put makeup on days like this. I am going to get this out of the box so that I can put it up on the wall. About there. It comes with this. Oh, darn it. Okay. It's like a piece of plastic, but it has a level on it. That's really nice. Okay. Okay. This kind of goes centered on the back of the shelf, so I can't just push it over here just because it fits. There needs to be room, so sorry, this is a little low. Maybe I'll come up a little bit. Okay, so now on the end of the bar, there's this little box of stuff. And it has 3 hardware hooks. Cool. Okay. And there are marks on this for hanging it. So do one side and then you do 2. Oops, don't move. Don't you dare move. Ugh. Okay, it's like a push pin. Oh, there are little, I noticed this right after, there are little printed, okay, it's not gonna work, oh, that darn window. There are arrows, so you've got to make sure those are up. kind of line it up. And now I can get all this junk that my daughters have on the ground in their bathroom hung up. Yay! Okay. I wish these all had hooks on the actual clothing. Let's see. They have tags, right? Let's stick that tag on. There we go. These bathrooms have hoods for these towels, so those will hang up. This one doesn't. Sorry to make you sick. Oh, this is her granny jammies that we used for 100-year-old school day. That is awesome. No more huge mess except for the granny jammies and cotton balls. That's so cool. Yay. Okay, so if you remember the huge pile of robes and junk on the floor, they are now hung up, and it took me less than 5 minutes. It's genius. And now they'll have all this space to actually make sure they hang things up. I'm really excited about it. It's a cool product. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up so we know you'd like some more kind of informal videos. We'll create some more for you. We're always working on little projects, so it actually might be even a little easier. You might get a little more content. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you can see any new videos. We try to have videos once a week, and we're sorry we missed a little bit in the summer, but it was time to hang out with our kids, so that time is short and we needed it. We are so thankful you're here though, and please be sure to check out some other videos, other playlists, other projects, and we will see you next week. Bye guys.